And breaking news that's just coming in, Republic has been able to access this court order of the NBW, or the non-bailable warrant that has been issued against Parambir Singh. We'll just try to put that out on your screens in just a bit. But do remember, he has been missing for over 200 days now. He's still on the run. Agencies are still trying to track him. And now, this is the third NBW that has now been issued against him. You're looking at that order right now on your screens. And as I said, this is an order that was just issued by the court yesterday. The third NBW that has been issued against Parambir Singh. Yesha is tracking that story and she has more details for us. Yesha, right now we are putting out details of that order that goes on to talk of the issuance of a non-bailable warrant against Parambir Singh. But many say, Yesha, that that is not good enough. You now need to move to actually announce him like a proclaimed offender.
That's right, Deepti. So now we see that this is the third non-bailable warrant issued against him. In fact, the other copy that we have, and the viewers saw it on their screen, there are charges, say, of 420, 403, 409. Now, this clearly means that this is charges of trying to cheat someone, because these were extortion charges on which this FIR was filed against him. Now, this is the Marine Drive FIR that we are talking about, which was taken over by State CID, and 2 people were arrested in this case just 3 days back, which is where we see yesterday the non-bailable warrant was issued against Parambir Singh. But now, like you rightly mentioned, that this is not really enough. We've seen 3 non-bailable warrants being issued against Parambir Singh, but Maharashtra government is going a step beyond this. We have seen that our sources from the Maharashtra government have clearly stated that they are trying to reach out to the to the IB department, and following which, if they do not find Parambir, they'll declare him an absconder. So this case goes way beyond just declaring him as an absconder, because we see there are 5 cases, 5 cases registered against him all across Maharashtra, 4 of which are extortion cases. 1 is an atrocities case, of which there are 3 non-bailable warrants against him. One at the Marine Lines FIR, the other one is for the Goregaon FIR, third one is at the Thane Nagar Police Station FIR. All of these 3 are cases of extortion, wherein in fact the complainants had said that Parambir Singh was extorting some money from them. They were in fact asked to pay a particular amount, stating that if they do not pay it, they will be asked to, they will not get protection from police. So they had to pay this money just to get protection from the police and not be harassed further. Now, this in fact questions how men in uniform then were behaving, because a Mumbai police commissioner, a person with the rank of Mumbai police commissioner, was extorting money, and these cases date back to when he was the Mumbai police commissioner then. So now these are some serious allegations raised against Parambir Singh, and the third non-bailable warrant issued against him, because there's one more bailable warrant which has been issued by Chandiwal Commission, clearly because he's not been present before the Chandiwal Commission as well. There have been various summons issued to him, but like it's been mentioned, no one knows where he is, where his whereabouts are. So he has been missing in action ever since he last assumed the position of DG Home Guards. In fact, which is where we saw that the Maharashtra government had also stopped his salary and had also sent him notices asking where he is. We also went back to trace his location of the Chandigarh, the address that he's mentioned in his official documents, but he was not found there as well. So question now arises is to where is Parambir Singh, and why is a person who is still in office, who has a position of a senior IPS officer, missing in action? And here we see that the same person who is still a sitting officer has 3 NBW
So we'll have to
issued
see,
against
Yesha,
him.
how the investigative agencies really move on this case. For the moment, thank you for getting us that breaking update.